G'day, here's 5 small pieces of Boulder Opal ready to finish off and shape into stones. Rules and millimetres. The material's been wetted, help highlight their colours and patterns. And the white just sitting there occasionally is the light reflecting off the stones. First one here. It's only a thin seam. It's quite bright. This piece someone's tried to split it and it's broken off, but there's still another stone under here. Careful cutting, you can end up with another stone similar to the first one, quite thin though. Nice bright red stone. It's a little bit undulating there. This piece is rough. This needs to be cut off. Expose the colour underneath. Some of this will come out, I think. This piece is quite a nice piece of matrix. Quite a bit of this will probably come out. It's a bit of careful work, but be nice small stones. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.